Hello and welcome to our reinstallation video. Today we're going to look at how to reinstall a license. As this is a two-step process, in this video we will be concentrating on the first, deactivating licenses. For the second step, please see the description below or wait until the end of the video for the video links. First we're going to look at how to do this in the user interface method. I'm going to go and download the license manager, the compiled version. If you're wanting to use the uncompiled version, please download that. But we're only concentrating right now on the compiled version. So I'll download this version. I'm going to extract that and then run the license manipulation tool. As you can see, I have a full trial license available to me, and I'm going to deactivate that license. I'm going to add licensee name, that'll be your customer name, and the customer's name or site name. And as you see, it took a couple of seconds, but we have all licenses deactivated. Now, how do you do that on the offline method? Well, let's head over. I'll reinstall a license. So I have a full license. I'm just going to select delete selected license, and this is how you do it on the offline method. Please let us know if you do it in this method. So let's head over to Visual Studio. To do a deactivate online, I'm going to type in DicomLicense.deactivateOnline, and then I'm going to add customer name or site name. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add in licensee name first. So that's your name and then your customer's name or site name. So I'm starting up the program, and then a dialog box will appear. And that's how you deactivate the license. Now, to do an offline method, type in DicomLicense.delete all licenses. This will remove all licenses, but do not do this unless you have contacted us first. If you would like to continue the reinstall, please watch our online and offline activation videos. Both will be shown at the end of this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@medicalconnections.co.uk and we'll endeavour to help you. And as always, thank you for watching.